So I'm not gonna lie, anytime that I can find a shortcut to big flavor, that is winning for me. That's exactly why I love this Cajun shrimp and rice dish. It's simple. For me, a success in making a weeknight meal is to keep it single skillet. And I like this one because it's a very easy twist on like a jambalaya from New Orleans. We got a rogue shrimp, everyone! It brings together some amazing Cajun flavors in short order. Gonna start with a blank pan, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Let's saute vegetables. I've got celery and green bell pepper. While this is sauteing, I'm gonna start slicing my andouille sausage. I really love andouille. I think it's just one of those gems in cooking that you don't have to do anything to it. It's already flavorful. You add your andouille sausage. After you get your first browning done, the shrimp's on the side with a couple of tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, kind of a dry marinade. Once you take everything out of the pan, you're gonna arrange the shrimp back in the pan and get a nice sear on both sides. Okay, the shrimp looks perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it off the heat before it overcooks. Okay, before I move on, there's something very important I need to do, and that is give the kids a snack. And you'll never guess what they like to snack on. You want some sausage? What's your favorite? The sausage. I know, it's weird, right? It's so weird. Bye! And just like that, they're out of my lives. This is what happens. Next up, college. Now that we've got our vegetables sauteed and our meat seared, we're gonna make a sauce. Equal parts chicken stock and milk, a little bit of Cajun spices, and then what my favorite part is the slurry. Mainly because I like to say slurry. The slurry. So a slurry is a quick way to make a sauce thicker. You take water, cornstarch, whisk it together. It creates this thickening agent, and so you can add it to your sauce in the pan. Watch this. See how it's bubbling and getting really thick? After the sauce has simmered for a little bit, we're gonna add a little bit of fresh lemon juice right into the pan. It wakes it up. A pinch of salt. Everything is sort of simmering and marrying, and oh, you're gonna love this. After the sauce is done, you add all the meat and the vegetables back to the pan. You see how silky and luxurious this is? It's insane. You can serve it with cooked rice, brown, white, whatever you want. Add some more lemon, maybe another pinch of salt if you want. You are ready for dinner. Life's good. Who would like to eat? What's special about this dish is that it's in one skillet. It doesn't take any time at all, like 30 minutes to pull together. It's simple ways to reach a complex flavor that you might not have every day. Hey guys, how do you say subscribe in French? I don't know. Click below to subscribe to see easy, interesting weeknight meals like this one.